Good day everyone, I'm Florica B. Maris from BSIT-2M and I'm here to discuss why Rizal Works is vital. Jose Rizal, the national hero of the Philippines, was born into a well-to-do family in Calamba, Laguna on June 19, 1861. His life from childhood to early education was marked by experiences that shaped his ideals and fueled his passion for reform. Rizal was the seventh of 11 children born to Francisco Mercado Rizal and Teodora Alonso Realonda. Rizal's early years in Calamba were filled with love and care from his parents, particularly his mother Teodora Alonso Realonda. Imagine a hero who wrote books that sparked a revolution, a leader who fought for freedom with his words, not his weapons. That's Dr. Jose Rizal, the Philippines' national hero. Studying him isn't just about history. It's about discovering what makes people, Filipino. Here's why we study Rizal. He showed Filipinos their own strength. Rizal books No Limit Tangere and El Filibusterismo were like mirror reflecting the injustices of Spanish rule. They made Filipinos realize they weren't powerless. They could fight back, not just with guns but with ideas. Studying Rizal isn't just about history. It's about discovering what makes Filipinos strong, brave, and united. He's a reminder that she can happen and that even without guns, we can fight for what we believe in. 6 life lessons you can learn from Jose Rizal. Against all odds, Rizal manifested the highest virtues being a Filipino. Focus on your goals. Fighting injustice in society was Rizal's sole motto. The third is keep personal life away from work. Fourth, use your time to the fullest. Fifth, there's no virtue in giving. And the last is you may also like Republic Act 1425, known as the Rizal Law, mandates all educational institutions in the Philippines to offer courses about Jose Rizal. This is one of the examples of Rizal works that illustrate his relevance. 1. His advocacy for education, beyond literacy. Rizal wasn't just for formal schooling. He understood education as a tool for empowerment encompassing critical thinking, self-reliance, and national consciousness. His founding of La Liga Filipina wasn't just a political organization. It was a project of social upliftment aiming to improve the lives of Filipinos through education and economic cooperation. This highlights his holistic approach to nation building, moving beyond simple literacy to encompass social and economic reform. Rizal works offer a powerful moral compass guiding us a more just and human world. His life and writing embody the principle of courage. Rizal's bravery wasn't just about physical strength, but about intellectual courage. He dared to challenge the status quo, to speak truth to power, and to fight for what he believed in, even when it meant risking his life. Number 2 is patriotism. Rizal's love for his homeland was unwavering. He dedicated his life to fighting for his people's freedom and self-determination. His example teaches us to be proud of our heritage, to contribute to our communities, and to strive for a better future for our nation. Rizal works teaches us to be brave and speak up for what's right, even when it's hard. He showed that even without violence, we can fight for a better world. I learned this by carefully reading his stories and seeing how he used his words to challenge injustice and inspire change.